That fluffy towel you just used might be harboring over 1 million bacteria. This startling fact reveals a hidden hygiene issue in countless homes everywhere. Most people don't realize how quickly towels become breeding grounds for germs. Think about it. Dampness, body oils, and warmth create the perfect environment for microbes. This isn't about extreme cleanliness. It's about basic, everyday health awareness. Understanding this simple truth can significantly improve your home's overall cleanliness. We're going to explore easy, effective strategies to manage your towel situation. It's about transforming your laundry routine into a proactive hygiene measure. Let's dive into the surprisingly simple science behind towel hygiene. Your towels are constantly exposed to moisture after every shower or hand wash. This perpetual dampness allows bacteria and mold to thrive and multiply rapidly. Imagine countless microscopic organisms feasting on residual soap and skin cells. These unseen guests can lead to unpleasant odors and even skin irritations. But that's not the strangest part about microbial growth in your bathroom. The sheer volume of bacteria can reach staggering numbers within just a few days. This means your seemingly clean towel could be far dirtier than you imagine. Fortunately, a few smart habits can combat this invisible invasion effectively. The first crucial step is understanding the importance of proper drying techniques. Never leave your towel balled up or bunched on the floor after use. Always hang your towel spread out on a hook or rack to allow air circulation. This simple action dramatically reduces drying time, hindering bacterial proliferation. Wait until you hear what comes next regarding washing frequency. Washing your towels regularly is absolutely essential for maintaining hygiene levels. Most experts recommend washing bath towels every 3 to 4 uses. Hand towels, used more frequently, should be washed even more often. Using a hot water setting during washing kills a significant number of microbes. Don't forget to add a cup of white vinegar to the rinse cycle sometimes. Vinegar acts as a natural disinfectant and deodorizer, boosting cleaning power. And then something unexpected happened with fabric softener. Avoid using fabric softener on your towels. It reduces their absorbency over time. The chemicals in fabric softener can coat the fibers, making them less effective. Instead, consider adding a half cup of baking soda to the wash drum. Baking soda helps neutralize odors and brighten whites effectively. Drying your towels completely is the next critical step in the process. Ensure your towels are thoroughly dry before folding or storing them away. Even a slight dampness can invite mold and mildew to begin their insidious work. Using a dryer on a medium heat setting works best for optimal results. But that's not the strangest part about towel storage. Proper storage prevents recontamination after they've been freshly laundered. Avoid cramming towels tightly into linen closets or cabinets. Allowing some space for air to circulate prevents musty odors from developing. Consider rolling your towels instead of folding them for a neater appearance. Rolling also helps maintain the towel's loft and fluffiness longer. This practice makes your bathroom look tidier and more organized instantly. It's like giving your towels a spa treatment after every wash cycle. And the impact on your home's hygiene is truly significant. You'll notice a fresher scent in your bathroom and a cleaner feel. This simple shift contributes to a healthier living environment for everyone. It reduces the chances of spreading germs or developing skin issues. The payoff is a more comfortable and genuinely hygienic living space. It's a small change with surprisingly large benefits for your well-being. Implementing these quick tips transforms your towel management effortlessly. You'll achieve a cleaner, fresher, and healthier home environment. This approach ensures your towels serve their purpose without compromise. Embracing these habits offers a tangible improvement to daily life. It's about creating a sanctuary of cleanliness within your own home. Making these small adjustments leads to significant positive changes. Your family will appreciate the noticeable difference in freshness. This simple system makes towel care surprisingly straightforward. You are now equipped with easy strategies for better towel hygiene. Transform your laundry routine with these incredibly effective tips. If you found these towel tips helpful, subscribe for more home hacks. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today. Let us know in the comments how you keep your towels fresh and clean. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most.